Hello class and welcome to our lecture series on microeconomics, and I'm your instructor Jamal. Hi there. Okay, let's start. So our midterm exam is on 3rd of November. So at the end of this lecture, today's lecture is about a little bit short because we are revising and I need to give you some paper pattern, idea that how we are going to conduct our midterm exam. So that will be at the end of the lecture. Okay, so there is a practical example here. So I want you to read this whole scenario and pick the right answer. Everyone, please, I'm just going to give you 3 minutes for that. So Harry, what is the answer? Anis?
I'm debating either A or D.
Either A or D, right? You said A or D.
Is it D? Is it all of them?
Okay, D. Landry, Kathleen.
I said A or B, not A or D. Sorry.
Okay, D is also the option.
Maybe D.
D. Arone.
D.
D. Lynn.
B.
B. Okay, what we are talking about? About variable cost, right? Let me read the question. Suppose Jan started up a small lemonade stand last month. Variable cost for the Jan's lemonade stand now includes the cost of, now let me know, building the lemonade stand. Is it a variable cost, which means every time he sells lemonade, he need to build the stand as well? No, this is called fixed cost. Hiring an artist to design a logo for her sign. This is one-time gain or every time gain? We are making up,
I guess the answer is C.
We will make every time. No, this is also a fixed cost. Lemonade mix. So the more you sell the lemonade, you need more lemonade mix. So this is called variable cost. Answer is C, right? Okay, now let's talk about our how to calculate the marginal cost. So what is the marginal cost? Marginal cost means, or it measures, the increase in total cost that arise from an extra unit of production. So marginal means additional or extra 1 unit. So you can derive your own definition, and that is how much it costs to produce an additional or extra 1 unit, or what is the addition in the total cost by adding 1 unit. Understand? This is called marginal cost. And how are we going to calculate that? The formula is change in total cost divided by change in quantity. Remember, this is change in quantity, not units. Sorry, not labor or inputs. In assignments, I have given inputs as well and also the output as well. So some of the students may ask that, okay, is it inputs or outputs? So these are the outputs. Quantity means outputs. Okay. The change in total cost. Remember, change in total cost, not average total cost. This is total cost divided by change in quantity. Quantity is an output stuff, not labor, not something. So let's talk about how we calculate that. Here we go. We have the example here. And this is the output, right? Making laminate glasses per hour. 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And this is the total cost. And we've seen that here, that marginal cost is in the middle, right? Right? So marginal cost is the change in total cost divided by change in quantity. Yeah? So for what is the marginal cost for 0? Answer is we don't know. Why? Because we don't have before this unit. So we're going to start from here. What is the marginal cost for 1? Is change in total cost, which is new cost. How we find out the change? New value minus old value divided by old value. This is how we find out the change. So 3.30 minus 3, right? So, oh sorry, that is percentage change. Change is new minus old. Change in quantity means we have 1 new quantity minus old quantity. So answer is dollar 0.3, right? That is dollar sign, okay? Not 5, that is dollar. And can you tell me where this 1.1 came from? 1.1 is the MC of additional 5th unit from 4 to 5. Right? So let's calculate that. Total cost is 6.5 minus 5.4 divided by 5 minus 4. Answer is 1.1. Right? You understand the MC now? How to calculate that?
Yeah, thank you.
So where this 1.97 came from? 1.90. It is
It's
between
12.9 minus 11 divided by 1.
this is the MC of which one?
12.9 minus 11.
9 unit.
Oh.
1.90 is the MC, marginal cost of producing 9th unit. What does it mean? It means if you produce 9th or 9, one more from 8 to 9, the extra unit that you will produce, it will cost you from 11.002 to 12.90, which means the additional cost is going to be 1.90, right? And now you tell me, what is the behavior of MC? You see, it is increasing. 0.3, 0.5, 0.7, 0.9, 1.5, right? It is increasing. It means it looks like this, right? Okay, let's move forward. So what we have learned from our last lecture